shake it up. And let's spray it out. Ooh. Of course, because my collarbone is showing and we want it to be popping, right? So actually I am going to use my bronzer as well to put on my collarbone. Just a little bit. Oops, that's a little bit too much. But I just want like a little bit just to give it a little va-va-voom. Y'all see the difference? Y'all see the difference? Okay. I just gotta make sure y'all paying attention to the difference, child. Cause when you see the difference, you wanna use it too. That just made my collarbones pop just a little bit more. Okay, and see, that's all you really need. Not too much. If you want to add more, you can, but I will not because that's all I need. Keep it simple. Keep it very simple. And then I'm gonna put the rest of the product that I have just a little bit on my forehead because I didn't contour my forehead because I really don't know how, but you know, we learning as we go. So we're gonna do a little bit over here. We don't wanna mess up the edges too much, child. But just a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit. Cover it up, and I guess I could do a little bit down here. But see, you don't have to put too much. You never have to put too much. Just enough to make it pop. Just enough. And just like that. So make sure you blend, guys, okay? Blend. Because if you don't blend, I could tell what you did, when you did it, and how you did it. And I don't want to see that. Just FYI. And just like that, Beauty in the City came to the rescue.